Ever heard of a monster that's half man, half bull? Let's dive into the legend of the Minotaur. Deep beneath King Minos's grand palace on the island of Crete, a terrifying creature roamed a massive, inescapable maze known as the Labyrinth. This beast was the Minotaur, born from a forbidden love between Queen Pasiphae and a magnificent white bull sent by the gods. To appease this monster, the city of Athens was forced to send a horrifying tribute each year: 7 young men and 7 young women, destined to be lost in the maze and devoured. This tragic cycle continued until a brave hero, Theseus, volunteered to be one of the tributes. He vowed to end the Minotaur's reign of terror with a secret weapon, a simple ball of thread given to him by the king's daughter. Ariadne, Theseus entered the darkness, found the beast, and defeated it in an epic battle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more myths.